Hello and welcome to the video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Toyota Yaris LE. This is a 5-passenger hatchback in absolutely red, and under the hood you'll find the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder driving on 15-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. Just press that unlock button once for the driver's side, then we're going to take a look in the front first. On top here you do have your power windows and locks. On the bottom you have some storage space. Next to the door here, you have your different lighting options, power mirrors, and you also have your pre-collision system. This Yaris is equipped with all-weather mounts and black cloth seating. On the bottom, you have your manual seating adjustment handles. So now let's just start this Yaris up and take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. You'll find your volume buttons, and these arrows will just help you cycle through any audio that you might have on the screen here. On the right side you have your lane departure assist, and your cruise control speed settings are right behind the wheel here. And before we move on to our screen, just to show you that this Yaris does have 35,044 kilometers on it. If we move on to our screen and press audio and go all, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice of Bluetooth device so you can connect your phone. Down below is the climate control system. I simply got these nice smooth turning dials. If we move down below here, you have your 12-volt outlet, your USB and auxiliary. You have some storage space here as well as 2 cup holders. And behind the shifter, you do have your parking brake. Moving on to the passenger here, we do have this nice little convenient shelf. And if we open up the glove box, you have plenty of space in here. It does also feature the owner's manual as well. And before we open up the cargo, we're going to take a quick look in the back here. Continuing with the all-weather mats and the black cloth seating. If we move inside behind the front passenger seat, we do have some storage space. We have some storage compartments on the bottom as well. And these seats do fold down. All we got to do is pull this upwards, and that gives you access to your cargo. Taking a look inside the back here, you can see there is plenty of cargo space. We do have this nice rubber mat as well to protect against any harsh objects you might be carrying. If we look underneath here, you will find your spare tire in case one ever goes out on you. Taking a last look at our 2017 Toyota Yaris. Once again, some of those great interior features include your Bluetooth compatibility, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and cruise control. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.